Want to maximize your rewards on BYBIT? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the BYBIT referral code 82500 to unlock up to $30,000 in bonuses and get a head start on your trading journey. By using the referral code 82500, you'll get access to some amazing rewards, including a $20 sign-up bonus and up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, VIP status upgrades, and more. Simply click the top link in the description or pinned comment below, and the code will automatically be applied when you sign up. It's that easy. If, for any reason, the code isn't applied automatically, just copy and paste 82500 during sign-up to ensure you get these exclusive benefits. Here's how to claim your bonuses. Click the link below this video to go directly to the BYBIT sign-up page. Enter your details and make sure the referral code 82500 is applied during the sign-up process. Complete your registration and you're all set to start trading with these incredible rewards. BYBIT is one of the leading crypto exchanges with over 39 million users and support in 160 countries. It offers everything from spot trading to leverage tokens, and with industry-leading liquidity, you'll have everything you need to succeed in the crypto world. BYBIT's user-friendly interface and 24/7 support make it easy to get started, even if you're new to trading. Don't wait. Use the BYBIT referral code 82500 today and unlock your exclusive bonuses. Click the link below, enter the code, and start trading with confidence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching. Remember, the BYBIT referral code 82500 is your ticket to up to $30,000 in rewards. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.